Hello to everyone! We just got off an 8-hour red-eye flight from Miami to London. I landed at 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't sleep at all on the plane and I just got home about 30 minutes ago. So welcome, we made it! I am going to show you around a bit. That way you guys can see where we are going to be for the next, I don't know, couple months. This trip for me is actually really exciting and really important because we are gonna go to Italy in 2 days. So we can go check out the shoes, the shoe production, where it's at. I am actually like super waiting for my final samples. They were supposed to be here by now, so they're probably gonna get here today. And I can't wait because I got like the first round of samples. They were shipped to me to Miami about a week and a half ago, and I made some modifications and now like, oh my God, I can't wait. But let me show you where I am, okay? So you walk in through here. You make a right. Behind me are 3 bedrooms, and that's my bathroom and that's my bedroom. And we go to the kitchen and the dining room back there and the living room with the TV. This is like my favorite area to hang out in. Then you have the TV, which we seriously need a bigger TV and it needs to go up there. But I don't watch much TV, so yeah. And then beautiful chair, my camera. The board in the back is where I write everything that I have to get done. We have some Easter flowers. And basically, yes, the dining table, it's kind of small right now. We need a bigger one, but I absolutely love the kitchen here. It's just so inviting. I always want to have like friends over, and I'm not a good cook, but I have friends that are, so they come over and they cook, and that's great. All that over there, it's like the fridge where you keep all the food. And yeah, we've just tried to be like really thoughtful on everything that we use, from like the knife holder. Everything is just like, everything is like a statement piece. Let me show you the view from here. We actually have great lighting in this apartment. This over here is our view. And I wanted to show you something. You know how you have those pink trees that everybody takes pictures of in the spring? We have one and it's right there, and we have another one over there, and we have a bunch of them downstairs. I promise I will give you a better tour of the apartment as the days go by. I'll show you my room, I'll show you the other rooms, I'll show you the bathroom. But right now I need to hurry up, get dressed, take a shower because I have a meeting in 1 hour. I have actually been away from work for 3 months, so you can imagine the amount of meetings and the amount of things that I need to get done and deliver. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna get ready for this meeting, and then I'm basically gonna be working the rest of the day. Then I'm going to go to sleep early, hopefully, if the jet lag is not killing me. And then tomorrow we are getting up super early and we're going to Italy. I'm so excited. All right, guys, I see you later. So we're ready. The car is downstairs and just ordered my car, and there we go. We are definitely going for practicality and comfort this morning. I'm just wearing a black. This is what you call waking up really early. Still pitch black outside. I think this is my car. Let's hope so. It's cold. It's so cold, guys. Oof. Let's get me to this flight. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Marvelous. How are you?
What time did you wake up today?
Oh dear.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for departure, please check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
So this, we are done, right?
Okay.
And I think I wanted the lower heel, but I think this looks.
No,
I think
but
it looks nice.
the only problem, if I make something lower,
I think we should leave it like that. What do you think? I think it's nice. I think it's more comfortable.
I think it's the only solution because I make it lower than the other one.
So we are here making modifications to the final sample, which looks amazing. And Alessia here. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
She is being our foot model at the moment, so this is good. We're trying this on everyone's foot to make sure that it's perfect. And Armando here has all the patience in the world. So right now we are inside the leather room, and this is literally my most favorite room in the entire factory because this is where they keep all the leathers. So you have like these beautiful pinks and nudes and everything here is just beautiful. So this is kind of like where I come in and I start going crazy and I'm like, I want that and I want that and I want that, and they're like, no, wait, can we just keep your focus and just these colors? So I wanted to show you something super cool because they have now dyed all the leathers that we're gonna use, and you guys have only seen it in like those little swatches that I showed you, but I'm going to show them to you. Like you can see, it is so nice. I wish that you guys could be here, but this is like the closest that we can, you know, experience like if you were here. So let me show you. So look at these beautiful, look at this beautiful brown. Whoa. So this is suede, this is leather, this is the other, this is my tone right here. This is so beautiful. And then, so this right here is the lining that we're gonna use inside, and this here has been a nude color that I have been obsessing with for years, and I really want to use this in the near future. I love it. It's a beautiful, just the right tone of nude that really goes with every skin color, and I love how it's patterned. So this is like a color that you can carry from season to season. If it rains or anything like that, it's just very durable.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for departure, please check to see that your seatbelts are...
Good morning, guys. We are back in London. I got back from Italy really late last night, and by the time I got home my battery had died, and honestly I don't know if it was me being extremely exhausted or the jet lag is just like the combination of both. I just needed to get to sleep, but I woke up today and I feel great, and I want to fill you guys into everything that we did yesterday. So basically I had received the final samples when I got to London from Miami, and I still wanted to make some modifications, and I needed to check on production because, to be honest with you, I honestly thought that we were going to have just a few shoes ordered, and that's why, you know, I was like, I know that we can deliver by April 25th, but we have gotten over 400 times what I thought we were initially gonna get, which basically means that the factory needs a little bit more time to just finish the entire production. So initially they were going to be done on April 25th. I was going to receive the shoes in Miami, but now because that week falls in the middle of Easter, there's like a whole week where, you know, the factory is not working. We need to give them one more week in order to fulfill all these orders, because it's so much. And to be honest with you, I was both happy and overwhelmed. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, all of you were going to be happy. I honestly felt a little bit anxious when I knew that, you know, yesterday when I was there and he was like, this is a lot of shoes, we need one more week to do this. I was really anxious because I was like, oh my god, I told them that, you know, by April 25th we would be shipping out, but he's like, we just have too many orders, we really need that extra week because we need to finish. So I hope that you guys are not mad. There's nothing that I can do, but the one thing I can assure you is that these shoes are so beautiful. They're so beautiful, and I'm going to show you how they looked before when I received the final sample and how they look now that we made all the changes. So as you can see on the high heel pumps, these are the 105 millimeter high heels. When you look at them from the top, the toe cleavage on my right foot is a lot lower than my left foot. You can see that the lines are a lot more sexy on the front. The same thing you can see from the side. The lines on the side are so sexy. It goes from the top, and as it gets near the toe cap of the pointy part of the shoe, you can see that sexy curve that really, when you're looking at the shoe from the side, it's really what makes the shoe look super sexy. And it was not like that in the final sample, but now we have nailed it and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is how I like to wear my shoes, so I am sure that you guys are going to love the way that these shoes are going to fit you and that the way that they're going to look. These are also the final samples of the 70 millimeter heel, which is the kitten heel. And I told you guys that I had never owned a 70 millimeter heel shoe. My goodness, they are so comfortable. However, there's a very fine line between wearing that kitten heel and the shoe looking like it's for an old lady, and wearing a kitten heel and for the shoe to look sexy. So the way that we have achieved that is by, again, lowering the toe cleavage in the front and giving it that really sexy line when you look at it from the side. That way it's overall a comfortable shoe, but it's really sexy. I also did some due diligence on your part, because a lot of you have sent me so many emails telling me that you didn't make it on time to order shoes before we closed the orders, and I just didn't know if it was going to be possible to keep on selling the shoes because I had to check with the factory with production. But I spoke to them yesterday and I am opening up the sales again, so you guys can go in there. If you didn't have a chance to order the first time around, go in there and make your orders, and we are going to include them in this batch that's going to be ready the first week of March. I am so excited. I hope that you guys are happy about that, because I was honestly like heartbroken and so gutted that, you know, my hands were tied there and I really couldn't do anything after I had closed sales because I had strict orders from them. But they are going to do it. So I'm going to leave the link down below to website, and you guys are welcome to go and place your orders. And if you have any questions about sizing, about fit, about color, about matching, just drop me an email and I will do my best to answer back as soon as possible. Initially, this shoe concept came about because we were making nude shoes for all women and all skin tones. However, if you would like for me to make the flats and the high heels in black please let me know. It's not something that I have planned for. However, if it's something that you guys want, then I am happy to do it for you guys. So let me know. Let me know in the comment box below. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and I see you guys in my next video. I send you a really, really big kiss from London. Bye.